The news now. The states of public emergency ended last month, and one would have thought that with the success they had in reducing violent crimes, the government would have reinstituted the security measure as it can. But National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says while doing so is under consideration, the government will not do so without first getting the opposition on board. But why? TVJ's Dwayne Anderson tells us more.
Once we got to the government and we took a look at what we had to step back and review our position. Our commitment is still to get you to sleep with the door open. But the cost of it and the challenge we face in getting there is far more than what I've seen from outside.
An admission from the Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang, that the administration has had to review its position about getting Jamaicans to sleep with their doors open. The promise came in 2016 on the campaign trail from then opposition leader Andrew Holness and has regularly been labelled reckless by members of the People's National Party. But the Minister of National Security, in defence of the administration on Wednesday, said the dream is still alive and was advanced with the implementation of multiple states of emergency, all of which subsequently expired in January due to a lack of support from the PNP. He said the administration was in a position to declare more SOEs, but chose not to.
We're not going to fight unduly with some of the trends out there. If it is proven necessary, we may have to do it. But we didn't get up. The way the law is structured because of the extreme powers we have on the state of emergency, we have to get the support of the opposition after 14 days. So on that basis, we have not called another one immediately. We'll have to work at it and see if we can convince the others.
He, however, did not rule out giving the security forces the tool again.
I'm not going to wait to see too many more lives lost. I know the Prime Minister is not for that, because when the killings start up, in order to justify it, which is one of the problems.
In the meantime, at least 18 other vulnerable communities are being eyed for a zone of special operations also. These communities were identified in a study which found that Jamaica had 100 at-risk communities needing urgent security and social intervention. Denham Town in West Kingston and Mount Salem in Montego Bay St. James were the first two areas declared ZOSOs, with the latter coming in for the most significant infrastructural improvements to date, with the creation of drains and concrete walls to replace zinc fences.
But it takes a lot of police officers and a lot of money, so we're going a bit slowly. We did 2 last year. We hope to do some more this year and begin to look at how we can expand the program, and we think we can expand pretty rapidly because our international partners accept that it's an excellent program. They work with it. So it has both security, tackle with the social intervention.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.